Hello, how you doing? Yes, it is Arnold. I'm going to Hotrod Holidays.
I'm so weird. Okay, I'm gonna do this vlog thing today. I'm heading to Hotrod Holidays, and it's got some pretty cool hot rods, as you can imagine. Going the wrong way. I don't know. I go to a lot of shows. Figure I might as well do it. Show you guys all types of classics. Springfield, Missouri. Pretty cool show, growing exponentially since, especially COVID, which actually has a big long story attached to that. But anyway, yep, that's where we're going. So let's do. What do you think? A 10-second travel montage. See you guys there. Someday I'll be doing that travel montage in my F100. So outside of this parking lot, outside of the show, it's always like why people don't put that inside, you know? It's always a little car show out here. Ooh. You guys know what that is? We got a Fairlane Galaxy? Just Ford? C10 over there. All right, let's see what's inside. So we got three sides. We got this side. Just on the other side of this building is a place about this big. And then I hope there's something right behind those walls, but we'll see. Alrighty. Actually quite a lot to show you. I don't know how to put this together. Just pick my favorites, I guess. Enjoy.
Here's the credit then.
Dude, you gotta love flatheads, man. I'd like to own a flathead someday. That'd be great. Like, you know, Model A, Model T's, flatheads, dude. Probably my famous last words, but I always wanted a flathead. Maybe someday. There you go. It's a shaggin' wagon. Okay, the engine better be like... Wow. Okay, the engine's like right here, and that's actually an intake for it. That's a functioning intake. That's pretty cool. This is one, man, I love. So cool. Don't even ask me what it is. Tow truck, but let's see what it says it is. Dodge, 1927 Dodge. So actually a lot of this is legit. It's not just pieced together, even though it is somewhat of a hot rod. I love the Mopar. Going to assume by the heads there it's a Hemi. That's super cool. Wow. Alright, man, you know, everyone loves the Corvair. Death traps, I guess, but who cares? I think that's bogus. I think if you rear end any car hard enough, something bad's gonna happen. So this is a son of a friend of mine. I guess I don't know if I should put their name on there or not, but this dude's like straight up legit hot rodder, man. He's got so many cool cars. Bel Air, C10, this sucker, which is like mint. Are you one of those guys where you just like have to keep it the way it is, or do you want to go and paint it and chrome it up? I'm kind of in between, depending on what it is. All right, let me show you one or two more, and then I'm gonna end it, I think. I see this car everywhere around here. So cool. It's not really my style, but it's like he's done something to this. Like, is it longer here? Is that what it is? I don't know. It's awesome. One of my favorite cars, Cobra, man. Love it. Let's see what else we got. What else we got? Mustang. Crowd favorite. I love these wheels. They're awesome. Heck yeah. MX. Javelin. Oh, this is the one we've seen at like the gas station, isn't it? Yeah. That's gorgeous. It's time for the ending. I just love it, man. Shane Thielander freaking was cool enough to take a logo, take a banner, represent on his truck. That's what it's all about, is community, right? And that's what's great about this show out here in Springfield. It's a Hot Rod Holidays. This guy right over there, I don't know if he wants me to mention his name, but he's been running this show for quite a while. Had some trouble with COVID and everything like that, and it just keeps going. He just keeps the show going. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys, go check out Hot Rod Holidays. It's located in the Springfield area, but it's definitely worth it, as you can tell. All indoors, so rain or shine show. And it's good. It's a good, like, right before Thanksgiving kind of show, you know. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and all that noise happening behind me. Doesn't matter if you're Ford, Chevy, or Dodge. There's something here for you to like. But yeah, guys, subscribe, follow, do all that social media stuff. And thanks for accepting my weird accents that I do. Anyway, again, thanks to you guys. This is all nothing without you guys. So thank you. Keep those trucks on the road. Get out there. There's no excuses. See you guys.